Hey, showing you the effects of the glue on the repairs. This is that quick they wanted to show you on the repairs. Oh, don't be alone. I took a professional art course when I was in college, a certified degree at it. John Biggers, Young Biggers. You know, the lady showed the technique on the breast how to do it, to put it on your dolls. So just showing you, get more effect if you want to get some. Because most of the designers, like I got a niece, she was a craft designer. Well, not craft, a clothing designer, so she had learned measurements. So these dolls ideal for her. So there's always reasons for things. Another thing, like I say, saying it down. You want the more realistic chest, saying it down. Then when you put, and you can even try to get with me a closer. Like there's 3 different. See, the one at the top, basically, here. 3 different tones. Let's focus in right quick. Yeah. 3 different tones. Yeah, you give you a effect closer, like even the one closer to the hip right there. One more. Oh. So you do it, you know, good color. Would be where I put the peach, sun-kissed peach. I don't know that. Right there, right now. But sun-kissed peach is the ideal color. You add white. Once again, this is the best ideal. Khaki, no, throw y'all all the way. It might look like it, but no. Sun-kissed peach with white or solid or darker solid peach. They got it, no gloss. Cause, you know what I'm saying? When you got a more shine on you, you know what I'm saying? You've been working, you've been laboring. Like I'm saying, like the unpainted, the repaired. So ideal. And what I'm gonna go in on this one is this side right here. And how to fade it in. In a minute, part.